don't like it to hang right at the top because it hangs too low on the door for me. So somewhere in between like row 4, row 5 is a really good opportunity to go ahead and put in our cord, or you can do a zip tie. I'm going to try to do a cord. And then I was like, oh, wait a second. I already put a lot of stuff in that hole. So we're going to try to go ahead and do this. So the first thing I'm going to do is just tape off my ends, because they won't want to go in the hole without fraying. So I'm going to tape this up so we can get it in really easy. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go ahead and do it right in here, row 5. So I want to come down 1, going down 1, and then up the other is how I'm doing this, because I want to tie it from the inside so that it hangs down here, but it ties on the inside. Okay, so wherever you want to cut it, this is where I've learned a nice little valuable tip, is go ahead and put your tape on your cord where you want to trim, and I'm just going to spin it so it'll roll that up really quick, and then I'm going to cut right there. This keeps my cord from untwisting, and then it's all ready to go for the next one. I'm going to come in here real quick and do a simple right over left, left over right. Call it a square knot. Just like that. When I go to pull the cord in the back, it is a smooth finish there. And I'm thinking, I'm going to be happy with that, or do I want it lower? I think I want it a little bit lower. So I'm going to tie it a little bit tighter in there. Pull this back. Yes, because I want it to stay between row 4 and 5. So cord is